Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I'm going to check out the Chromecast audio. This retails just for £30 guys. If you do want to check it out, I'm going to leave some links in the description. But this device will make any of your old speakers smart. If you give you the will give you the features of using Chromecast to cast your audios and stuff like that. If your speaker doesn't have Bluetooth or anything like that, just plug it in, use this aux cable. So if you got like a receiver or just some normal speakers, you want to use your Chromecast, and then you can just cast your music. You can use your Google Home to do it, or you can use your phone. Work from loads of apps as well. As you can see, we've got a few apps here. That's very nice. But yeah, let's open this up and see what we get inside. So I've got this little pull tab here, so I'm going to pull that, and then I think I should be able to open that up. So you've got a setup guide here, very nice. Say just plug in and give it power and it should work. So that's very nice. So we've got the box itself. Let's see how that opens this way. And inside you've got the device itself. So you can see with the Chrome logo here. It's very nice. At the bottom you've got your micro USB for power, your on button and LED light to indicate if it's on or not. So let's put that to the side. You get a nice little short yellow cable for your aux that just goes to your receiver or whatever speaker you want to connect it to. The other end will just go to your Chromecast here, like that. And then inside you've got a power cord as well, so you've got just a standard brick here, which then goes to your Chromecast audio, which is just micro USB B, which is very nice. Power brick has just the Chrome logo there, which is very nice, and nothing else inside. So let's put the box to the side. So as you can see, I've got the Chromecast and the Chromecast audio here. They both have different design, but this is the third generation, but this is still the first. But as you can see, that's a huge difference. The same goes with the power brick. It's got the Chromecast logo here, but this is just empty. But yeah, so let's put this to the side and just look at this device itself. As you can see, it's very slim. It just goes into any speakers and, as I said, receivers. But yeah, I'm going to do that and set it up and get back to you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, I've set everything up now. I'm going to click add device. I'm going to set up new device. And it's made by Google, so I'm going to set up new device. Send it home. So it's going to be looking for it now. Hopefully it should find the Chromecast audio. We'll see. Looks like it is. Yeah, so you can see it's found a Chromecast audio, so I'm going to click on that. Now it's going to be connecting to that. Okay, it's paired up and I heard the sound as well, so I'm going to hit yes. Okay, so it's in the office. What is it called? It's called office speaker. So right now I've set it up to the main office speaker, so almost only speakers in the office. So now it's asking me to choose the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to quickly do that. Okay, it's now connected, and yeah, everything is done now. And it asks me it needs to do update, so it's going to be doing updates. So I'll get back to you guys when it's finished updating. So yeah, guys, it's saying it's now ready, so let's continue. And things if I want to learn, but I'm just going to skip that, and it's all complete now. So if I go back to the Google Home now, it should come up as office speaker. I've got two, so I'm going to go into the Google Home and just change that. So give that a different name. I'm just going to call that the Google Home Mini. So I know which one that is. I'm going to hit save. And that's done now. So if I go back, I've got the office speaker here, so I can play music and stuff. So I'm just going to keep the volume down so if it come out too loud. So now I can ask the Google to play some music on the office speaker, so let's do that. Play some music on the office speaker.
Okay, music from Google Play Music. Playing on office speaker.
So I'm not sure how well you can hear that, but it is playing, so I'm just going to bring up some volume. You can hear the music is playing very nice and well. So okay Google, stop music. So that's working very fine. I can play music on the speaker, so that's very nice. I can just ask Google now and just play music and stuff like that, so that's very great. Works very simple. It's now up here showing a speaker. It's not Google enabled, but it's very nice. I can play music, I can turn the volume up and down, which is a great feature. So if you got a non-smart speaker or you got a AC receiver or something you want to hook up and just use your Google Home, it's a very nice update. It's a very nice little device you can use. So yeah guys, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one guys. Take care.